Hello little artist. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Hello artist. At first we draw a square. Next we draw two parallel lines. Next we draw two parallel lines. This roof is ready. Then we draw a line in the middle of the page or one corner of the roof. Total we draw three parallel lines. We add those lines from one into another. Here we draw first window using a rectangle. Then we design it. Then we draw another window and design it. We draw in it. We draw a small circle. Now we draw a door of the house. We draw a chimney of the top of the house. Now our house drawing is complete. Next we color it. First we use red color to color the roof. Here we also used red color. After coloring the roof, we color the wall using yellow. After completing one wall, we color another one using yellow. Wow, it's super fine. Fine. Next we color the small circle using blue color. Here we color the window using blue color. Again we color the door using blue to match the window. We use green color to color the chimney. We use purple to color the end of the window. Oh, it's super simplify. It looks great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.